Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It is Wednesday, February 25th. I'm Andrew Gagan. The local market is set to open strongly with ASX futures up around 0.75%. Global shares rebounded overnight, although volatility remains amid concerns over the impact of AI and President Trump's tariff policies. Tech stocks led the gains on Wall Street, with semiconductors outperforming. And AI lab Anthropic announced several new AI tools targeting areas such as investment banking and human resources, which it says is designed to customize their specific software, not replace it. IBM recovered while Apple led the Mag 7 higher, although Alphabet lagged, and Nvidia will report results tomorrow morning our time. Advanced Micro Devices will sell up to $60 billion in AI chips to Meta Platforms over the next 5 years, in a deal that would allow the Facebook parent to buy as much as 10% of the chip maker. Salesforce advanced to be among the Dow's biggest percentage gainers. Shares in Keysight Technologies surged after the electronic equipment maker forecast second quarter profit ahead of Wall Street estimates. And Home Depot gained after the home improvement retailer beat fourth quarter estimates and maintained its annual forecasts. United States Customs has begun collecting a temporary new 10% global import tariff, but the Trump administration was working to increase it to 15%, according to a White House official. The move has created confusion and uncertainty around US trade policy, with no explanation as to why the lower rate had been implemented, although President Trump may offer further clarity when he delivers the State of the Union address in Washington tonight. FOMC member Austin Goolsbee has said the Supreme Court's decision to strike down President Trump's tariffs may cause more uncertainty for businesses, but could also help cool inflation, saying the dynamic of low hiring, low firing, which I believe came from business uncertainty, is made even more solidified by adding more uncertainty. That said, it could bring relief to the inflation side. Meanwhile, US private payrolls rose by almost 13,000 last week, and consumer confidence rose, with future expectations also rising. US Treasury yields were little changed as investors considered the implications of the new tariff regime. The US 2-year yield was at 3.46%, the 10-year at 4.03%. Australian 3-year government bond yields are around 4.2%, and the 10-year at 4.7%. And the US dollar index is up slightly on the day. The Aussie is trading at 70.6 US cents. Oil prices have fallen after Iran said it was prepared to take any necessary steps to clinch a deal with the US ahead of nuclear talks later this week. Brent crude futures 1% lowered, close to $71 a barrel. Investors took profits in gold, which saw it ease from a 3-week high. Spot gold down more than 1% at around $5,170 an ounce. Copper rose 2.5%, while iron ore was up more than 1% at $99 a tonne. And Bitcoin remains below 65,000 US dollars. Locally today, we get January's inflation data, and those companies releasing results today include Iris, Bapcor, Domino's Pizza, Flight Centre, Fortescue, Light & Wonder, Steadfast, Tabcorp, Woolworths, WiseTech, Lynas Rare Earths, EBOS and Yancoal Australia. That is your day ahead. We'll see you again tomorrow.